You're watching Fox 45 Morning News. All local, all morning.
Good Saturday morning to you. It is September 19th. I'm Mary McKenzie. Thanks so much for being with us.
Mary.
Tony, thank you. Coming up, life insurance. It's not always an easy thing to talk about with your family, but we all need it. After the break, we're going to talk with an expert who can distinguish what you need to protect your family. September, believe it or not, Life Insurance Awareness Month. Not always an easy topic to start discussing with your family, but now is a great time to do just that. Kyle Winkfield is here. He's a managing partner at Odell, Winkfield, Roseman, and Ship. So I was just saying to you as we were coming into the segment, we had this conversation, when we had our son, who will be 3 in October, and we had to sort of sort it all out and talk about it. But for a lot of families, this is tough. Why is it so important, though, Kyle?
Life insurance is important because if you're going to leave, it's the quickest way to replace income. If you're going to die, the breadwinner dies, you can replace their income. It's an instant way to create an estate, and it's a wonderful way to not leave your family or the loved ones you have hanging if you have some debt. So it's the least expensive way to do it.
It's a gift that you can give them. So living benefits, though, there are those as well, even for those who aren't leaving us, hopefully anytime soon.
Absolutely. So when people think about life insurance, they think about term insurance. And term insurance is all about the death benefit. Okay, so you pay on it. The only way it works is you got to die. Now, permanent life insurance is where you have the living benefits. Now, the biggest living benefit with permanent insurance is that as you pay that premium, a portion of that premium goes into the savings account attached to the life insurance policy. They call that the cash value account. And over time, think about it, you pay on life insurance for maybe 20 or 30 years.
Yeah.
In a permanent situation, now it's nice to know you have a nice savings account built up with it, and you still have the insurance.
Right, absolutely. So you're sort of getting two products for one, more or less. Can you talk a little bit about want versus need? And I'll say, this is a topic, we sat down with our life insurance agent and talked for well over an hour. So this is a conversation starter this morning that hopefully it will prompt you to go home and have with your family. But want versus need, sort that out a little bit for us.
Okay, so when we think about life insurance, it's always such a morbid topic. Like, oh, how much do I need? Now, need implies what's the very least. Consider that. What's the very least I can leave the people I care about? Like when you were in school and you took a test, what do I need to pass? Versus want. So if you're a caring individual, which most of us are, then while you're living, you're going to want your kids to have the best education, drive in the safest cars, live in the best neighborhood. When you're dead, you're going to want the same thing, right? That doesn't change. So I help my clients, and I want the viewers to know, think of it as a want product. What kind of legacy do I want to leave? It's the only financial product that what you want to happen will happen, even in the event you're not here.
Right. That's terrific. Kyle, it's great information. There's so much more of it, too, that we could talk about. We could sit down for an entire hour. But we're going to post some information and Kyle's contact information if you want to reach out to a life insurance professional. foxbaltimore.com/morning is where it is all located. Thanks so much for being here with us this morning.
Thank you.
You're a great helper to sort it all out for us.